Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about Binance NFT. All I have to do is do it. At the beginning, we will go to our Binance account. Then I will go to the Binance home interface. Then we will click more option. Then we scroll down a bit. Then we will click on NFT live option. Where is this? Here is Binance live option. Then we will talk about this NFT. So how do we get NFT? That is, you have to click on a play button you see. Now we need a total of 40 points to play this. So where do we get these 40 points? If we want to get these 40 points, we should scroll. Here is our first task, cumulative sign in. Here is our daily task. Then I will click on my play option twice in a row. Then you click check in the word recorded option if your NFT has been submitted. Okay, done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Those who are new to my channel must subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option next to it.